The bonk price is nearing a very important and crucial resistance right here on the bigger time frame. We're talking about the weekly time frame, and in this video we're going to be having a look at this important chart. We're going to be talking about bonk, how it's been respecting these exponential moving average. So if you guys do like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on if you guys never want to miss a video. Have a look right here at bonk. If you guys remember my tweet about July 6th, okay, so at the beginning of the month, about 10 days ago, I said bonk just broke the weekly downtrend for the first time since November 2024. I said if bonk breaks this resistance, we could expect an all-time high, get to the next resistance, and enter price discovery. So right here, if we have a look at bonk, there's a few things that we need to consider. We did break this resistance right here. Ever since bonk is up 56%, everything's looking fantastic. I'm not gonna lie, right? Now, the big question is bonk gonna break this cross resistance? This was a support region right here. And if we look at bonk right now, we are attempting to break this resistance right here on the weekly time frame. We remember we still have 4 days right here and 14 hours before the weekly candle closes. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens here in the next coming days. We could definitely see a pump back before exploding and shattering that resistance. If this happens on bonk, we could definitely see a continuation all the way to the all-time high sitting at 97.1, right below 0.0001. If we have a look right here on CoinMarketCap, obviously we're currently sitting at 32. This thing has been absolutely exploding. The market cap sitting right at 2.529 billion dollars. But can we talk please about the volume? The volume is sitting at a 1.774 billion dollars. That is absolutely insane. I don't know if you guys understand how crazy this is, but 1.7 billion dollars is it's making it up to the top like 20-30 cryptocurrencies right now. I'm not gonna lie. Bonk is currently top 50 cryptocurrencies, but this thing is making its way into the top 50, and it's, in my opinion, we're most likely going to 5x and reach a $10 billion market cap very soon in this upcoming altcoin rally. But having a look right here, you guys can see that the RSI is not looking tight at all. It looks like we are flipping to the upside. We are not overbought yet, sorry. And in my opinion, if we do break this trend line right here, which most likely we will, that's just going to be a clear confirmation to the upside for bonk and a bigger rally. Now, if we have a look right here at the 4-hour time frame, things are looking pretty good. Ever since we broke above these exponential moving average on the 4-hour time frame at the beginning of the month on July, this thing has been respecting. We've always came back, retested these EMA ribbons, and exploded to the upside. And you guys know, every time we have these massive explosions above these exponential moving average, we usually come back down. So you could expect a massive, I don't want to say massive correction, but you could expect a correction right here on bonk to come back down and pretty much retest these EMA ribbons right here. Of course, we've been longing bonk on my group. If you guys are on my Discord, you guys can see that people are absolutely cooking. Of course, this is free. People have been absolutely cooking on the bonk trade. You guys can see 233%. People are just making money on these trades. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys join the Discord. The link will be in the description below. And before we continue with this analysis on the shorter time frame, 4-hour and 1 hour, I do want to have a look at this. If you guys do deposit with BYDFi a $20,000 deposit, you could actually get a free $2,000 bonus. So it's very simple. You're going to deposit $20,000. You're going to transfer that to futures. You don't even have to trade. You're going to wait 2 to 3 days. After you wait 2 to 3 days, you will get a $2,000 bonus. That is a massive bonus. And of course, you could literally 100x, do whatever the hell you want with that bonus. I mean, that is literally up to you. And this can offset the fees and losses. Okay, so literally no exchanges will give you a free $2,000 bonus, and pretty much you're risking BYDFi's money, not yours. And another thing is that if you deposit $10,000 or more, I will automatically upgrade you to VIP level 3. You actually need, in fact, $250,000 on your spot account, but I will do that by upgrading you automatically to VIP level 3 and 4 if you guys do sign up with the link in the description below. So having a look right here at bonk real quick, just coming back down, I do want to have a look right here at the 1-hour time frame, because the 1-hour time frame is pretty important, and we know that the 1-hour time frame has been respecting these exponential moving average as well. But listen, every time we do have these explosion above these EMA ribbons, we always come back and retest it. Kind of like the 4-hour, but on the 1-hour, they're they're more accurate. You guys can see right here, rebound, retest. We saw it multiple times, and now we're seeing a massive explosion. So we're most likely going to have a retest back to this level. Now, here's where things are getting interesting for bonk. We do have a massive order block right here on the smart toolkit. So if I take this on the 1-hour time frame, we do have a slight order block right here sitting at 0.032 to 0.034. Okay, this is actually a bearish order block. So if I actually go back right here, well, I'm not going to go back all the way here, but if I actually click on this, thing and I remove the grayscale, you guys can see that it will be red. So this is of course a bearish order block. We're gonna have to see what happens here in the next coming minutes and next coming hours if we do get rejected right here by Bonk. But if we do clear this order block, in my opinion, that's just going to be a continuation to the next order block, which will be 39. And pretty much that's about it. You guys can see right here on the right side, the 15 minutes is bullish, the 30 minutes is bullish, 1 hour is bullish, 4 hours bullish, and the 1 day is bullish. So I would not be shorting Bonk right here. I know a lot of people are like, oh, but those Bonk is overbought, shouldn't we short? No, I would not short something that is absolutely flying right now. Just because something is overbought does not mean you should sell. And we saw right here, we were pretty overbought and we came back down. A lot of people thought it was going to come down all the way to the overbought region at 32. We are in a bull market. This thing is in an uptrend just because, and this thing, look, it's been consolidating to the sideways, and Bonk has been absolutely going up. So just because, for you traders out there, by the way, just because something is overbought does not mean you should 100x leverage. Okay, yes, we reached 79, which is a very, very high peak in an overbought station on a 1 hour time frame, but that does not mean we're gonna essentially come back down and crash. As long as we stay above the 50% on the regular RSI, which you guys see has been holding, we're gonna be bullish. So there's a few things for you traders out there. Number one, you're gonna join my Discord because it's free if you want to make money. Number two, the few things that I want to have a look at is if we break this exponential moving average and we break the 50% on the moving average on the stochastic, on the regular RSI, sorry, then that could be a potential good time to short. But I would not be shorting right now. There is literally no point. This order block is pretty weak in my opinion. We're most likely going to break it. If we do get rejected, okay, we still have these EMA ribbons right here and we still have the regular RSI to hold us as support on the 50%, but I would not. And we do have another order block right here sitting at the exponential moving average, a bullish order block. Okay, so we do have a bullish OB right here. Things are looking pretty good. In my opinion, until we have a break of structure, I don't see why you should essentially be shorting. I mean, as of right now, we don't have any break of structure. You guys can see right here, we only have, yeah, we had a small change of structure right here, which was a fake out. But in my opinion, if we have a change of structure, we break below these exponential moving average number 2 and 3, we go below the EMA ribbon and this order block, then you could potentially short. But as of right now, you're just gambling. You're gambling. Yeah, you could. This could definitely come back down and retest down, but it's gonna be a gamble. The same way a lot of people thought that we were gonna be oversold, right, overbought right here. People thought overbought right here. People thought overbought right here. Look, people were like, oh shit, it's correcting. That's it, coming back down. We had a very, very small change of structure, and then we had another bullish change of structure, and ever since it's only been a break of structure. So that is my video, guys. If you guys are interested in, of course, signing up with BYDFi, once again, link will be in the description below. If you guys are interested in joining my Discord, the link will be in the description below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.